moving it from the space.
That's why I don't do it, because you have to make the big pile of junk and then I get tired of like...
Meet the all-star home talkers. They help you do it yourself so you can create the home you love. These are real people, real projects, real stories. This is DIY Nearby.
So I kind of wanted to do this room because I never have time for it. The boys come up here, they play, they make the mess, I tell them to clean it, and like junk goes everywhere.
Yeah.
So I wanted to team up with you again so that you could help me organize and declutter this mess we have. Or I guess it's not a mess, all these toys we have.
No, everyone feels like their mess is the worst mess, and it's really not. I pictured something way different, and so this is gonna be nothing.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Do it!
I don't wanna start sorting first. It goes faster if you dump it all, toss it into an area, and then sort. Alright, so we've got everything in the middle. We're going to go through it now and sort by donate, keep, put in another area of the house, and then we've got our trash bag with the stuff that's just going straight to the trash. My biggest role here is encouragement and support, because this can be tough. I can kind of hold things up and you're like, yes, no, whatever, and I'll just start.
Donate that, because that's baby.
Okay.
That's so cute. You know, you push his head down and he just goes.
Okay, so this is where we ask, what are your goals for this room?
Donate.
Okay. That can slow down the process, is trying to make decisions about where you're going to store it or how you're going to store it, but that we don't need to know that right now. And the answer to that will come as we keep going and actually get to that stage. We're sticking to keep, donate, return, trash.
Okay. Keep, donate, return, trash.
Yeah.
It's not scary at all.
Yay.
I can do it.
You can do, that's exactly right. Last bin. So right now I'm sorting what we're keeping into categories, so we'll be able to quickly put our hands on them to put them away. It feels open, uncluttered, and inviting to me. But it's kind of feel that way to you.
No, I think it does. I love this space now. Every toy has a home, and it's not all over the floor. Like, it is put away. I'm excited. Oh, doing this with you, I learned that you have to take everything out. You can't. I'm one of those types that, like, I want to organize as I go, and you taught me I can't do that. I have to keep, return, all that stuff, and then I have to put away. Now that this is complete, I am so ready, and I feel like I can do it. I can go do any other space in my house. Like, my closet needs to be organized. Yeah. Now I feel comfortable enough to do it.
Yay! I'm so excited!
And the saying is, do what you know.
Yes, just go with what you know. You don't have to have it all figured out right away.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so glad we did this together.
I know.
The people, projects, and stories featured on this show come from viewers like you.